Hey, my name is Doug. I am playing 7 Days to Die, Alpha 18.3. This is day 2 in the burn biome, which is not the most healthy place for a sole survivor to be. So my plan for today, I'm going to go ahead and head back towards my drop chest and empty myself out. And then I'm going to be trudging off to the west to see if I can find a more favorable biome, something that I have a better chance of actually surviving in. So far I have found the burn biome, which has been huge. I've found a desert, which is, I mean, if I have to, that's where I'll go, but it's not my most... Oh, yay, just found a pick. A iron pick is actually one of my core tools that I need in order to be able to successfully play this game. So right now what I have is a axe and now a pick. I'm trying to escape the detection of that stupid bird up there. Because those birds are the bane of my life. I am overloaded. I'm carrying 9 items more than... No, it definitely sees me. Damn it. Well, we'll just have to make do with that. Anyway, I'm going to go drop off all of my overburden. Where's that bird? Okay. And once I do that, then I want to take off to the west and see if I can find me a livable biome. I don't want to get too terribly far away from the trader because he is actually a source of a lot of resources. Okay, mission G. At this stage in the game, you should pretty much open up everything you come across. And the reason for that, not only do you find things, but it's also a experience. I mean, you find experience that way. I'm not chasing that chicken. There he is, okay. So I'm at 10 items down. It's going to really impact my ability to run. But I'm not that far. Whoops. There we go. I'm not that far from my drop chest, so... As long as I don't find or stumble across a dog, that would not be good. Things I happen to know, I am very short. Well, there we go. just clicked over to thirsty. So I'm going to have to find a viable source of water, which the towers generally are. But in order to drink that particular water, I have to be able to purify it. So I've actually already made up a campfire in preparation for that. So I will head to one of several water sources that I've seen. Okay, do I have, yep, he's still following me. Oh, we got multiples of them up now. That's actually not good. I really do need to get under cover here real quick. Oops. Hello. There it is. Okay, none of them are on an attack run quite yet. Okay, I'm gonna put that one down, even though it's got better stats, because that one still has life left in it. Yeah, I was mixed on that one. Okay. The trader is open. Now you may notice that I'm actually significantly faster on the run. No, I need to get... Okay. So, we'll just go ahead and plant that campfire there. Take my 2 cans down to the water. Empty can. What? Oh, can you not do this anymore? Oh, that would suck. No, it's not empty. Well, let's see. Recipe. Nope, apparently you can't do cans of water anymore. Well, that's an unpleasant surprise. Okay, I've got 99. So I am heading towards the trader. 1, because it'll provide me cover. And 2, because I can purchase water there. Well, that's an unpleasant surprise. I thought you could still do cans of water. You used to be able to. Apparently that is no longer a thing. Damn it, I had stuff that I could sell here too. Let's see, there it is. That's 60. Chicken soup will get me something to drink. And me so, but I no longer have enough. Okay. And now we get undercover. Now, in order to break contact with a zombie, you have to be unobserved for, I think it's 30 seconds, it might be a minute. Okay, looking to the east does not look good. Anyway, I can get a view. No. Don't really see anything to the north. There's a hill to the south in the town. I've been that way. So I know that there's no forest biome there. So really, the west is the way I want to go. I could head back north, but I hate traveling over territory I've already gone. Plus, I don't want to get that far away from the trader. I want to stay as close to the trader as I can. There's the bird still. Need to give them some time to move away. So, gonna head west. Bugger. And I missed. And I missed in such a way as it looks like to have lost my spear. Well, easy to make, but so we have a nice drink there. Maybe some coffee. Yep. Okay. Oh. Damn it, he got me too. There's something interesting. Just paper, though. Oh, all safe. And I have a pick. Oh. Yeah, when you're thirsty, it actually is not a good thing. Or affects your skin levels. Well, this should be fun. Okay, I think you've seen enough of that. We're just going to put the video on pause, and I'll bring it back when we're actually in the safe. Oh. I'm not sure it paused. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure it didn't. Okay, we're in the safe now. Let's take a look. No, I'm not going to complain. Bullets and then in the ergonomic. So I'll throw that on my bow, even though it's a pretty crappy bow. But it also means I'm not carrying an extra slot. Having bullets for a gun I don't have really doesn't help a whole lot. Put that away. Now, one of the things that's pointed out in another video that I watch is that these burn zombies never seem to be feral, which, you know, is kind of true. I've never seen a feral of them. Yeah, we'll carry that. Gonna leave all that here. This too. Really kind of mixed on this, but yeah, I'm not carrying that. Don't have anything to cook with. That does me no good. Yeah, we'll keep that. Okay, I need to cut some trees down. Yep, let's run this way and see if I see the promised land. I always hit the blocks, the bones, the fat, there's just too many good things that you get out of them. Okay. I really, really want to get out of the burner biome, find myself a forest biome. Just cannot express that enough. But looking to the west, that is not promising. So as much as I hate to backtrack, I think the north may be the way to go. And if I don't find one soon, I may just have to set up camp here in well, maybe I'll go to the desert. As much as I really hate that idea, because I will have to really put resources into heat protection. But I did not get any honey there. Whoops, damn it. Bird. Here's another issue I have, not just from the raw damage that you take from them, but I don't have any bandages on me right now. I have not really found anything that I can make bandages with. But I definitely need to make another spear pronto. Damn it. Well, that's it. I'm dead. Okay. Well, that is the end of this character, because I am playing perma-death. So, I'm going to have to gen up a new game. That's going to take a couple hours. So we're going to end this stream, and sadly, we're also going to end this recording. So we will pick this back up again with a new day one here, probably tomorrow. Have a nice day.